Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a personal portfolio using Canva. A personal portfolio showcases your skills and expertise, making it easier for potential clients, employers, and collaborators to understand your capabilities and potentially engage with you. I will demonstrate a few easy steps for creating a portfolio that is both simple and appealing. So first, log into your Canva account. Then let us search for a template to make our work faster and easier. So on the search bar, just type in portfolio. Or you may also add other keywords, like in my case, I'm actually about to create a portfolio of a photographer. So let's say that is my occupation. So I'm just gonna add the word photography on the search bar. Then just press enter. As you can see, we have a bunch of templates to choose from. So you can select whatever matches your taste. I'm gonna choose this one right here. So let's click on it. Then click on customize this template. So we already have a draft of a portfolio here. So what we need to do is just to add a little more flavor to it so it will match with our occupation and personalities. So we can actually change the color of the background. I somehow want it to look a little more vibrant, so let's change the color here. Just click on the little box on top. And here we can actually pick color or color combinations that we want. So I'm just gonna choose light orange and yellow here. Then I'm just gonna change this photo right here. So obviously in your case, since it's your personal portfolio, you should put your own photo here. So it can be a portrait of yourself or any photo of yourself that looks presentable and you think will match with the overall appearance of the portfolio. So to upload a photo, you just have to click on the upload button on the left. Then just get a photo or photos from your folder. It can be coming from your Google Drive, your computer, or from any storage where you saved your files. In my case, since this is only for the tutorial, I'm just gonna pick a random image from Elements. Something that will somehow match the background. So I'm just gonna choose this one right here. Then of course, you have to edit this one and type in your name. I think this looks good for a cover already, so let's just add another page. Let's click on add page here. Then let's just again use the template we selected earlier. So just click on design on the left. Then just choose a page that you want here. I'll just choose this second page right here. The appearance of this template is actually perfect for a description. So this is where you're going to briefly introduce yourself. I suggest that you prepare a draft of the information or all the things that you want to include in your portfolio. So when you're creating one, you can just copy and paste it here. In my case, I saved my draft on a notepad. And for the description, I'm just gonna copy a few things since it seems too long. Then I'm just gonna paste them here. Then again, you can just play around with the designs. You can change the photo here. So you can put another picture of yourself here. You can choose an image that looks more casual but still matches your profession. Also, let's change the color of the background. Of course, we want to match it with the cover page as well. So let's just do what we did earlier. Click on the color icon on top. The good thing about this is that Canva saves the color or color combinations of your design here, so it's very easy to match the colors of all your pages. So let's just click on orange and yellow for the background. Okay, I can see that we have a huge space on the upper right corner, so I think we can put some more information there, like our contact details. So let's click on add a text box. Since I'm planning to put my email address here, I'm gonna put an email graphic. So let's search for mail. Then instead of photos, let's click on graphics. Let me just choose this image right here. So let's just drag it to the page. I'm just gonna make it smaller. It should be very small that will match the height of the text. Okay, let's leave it like that. We can just adjust it later. Let me just paste the email address here. Then let's just put more adjustments. You can drag and resize the text and the image. Just play around with it until you are satisfied. Then let's just duplicate this text so the font and the size are just the same as the first one. Then I'm just gonna put, for example, my mobile number here. Then, of course, to make it look more appealing, let's add a phone graphic here as well. After that, let's duplicate the text again. Then you can put 1 or 2 social media accounts here. So in this tutorial, I'm just gonna put, for example, Instagram username. So potential clients can reach out to you on IG. Then let's add an IG graphic. Okay, I think this page is now looking good. So let's now add another page. Then let's click on designs and just choose another page from the template we selected earlier. So let's say this one. So again, let's change the background color. Same process. Then this is actually the first page where I'm gonna show my works, for example. So let's put a title here. I choose Candid Pets as a title. Obviously, I'm gonna showcase photos of pets or animals here. Then put a short description. I already created a draft earlier, so I'm just gonna copy and paste it here. Since this is a portfolio, I don't want to show only one example of my work, so I'm just gonna change this image. So click on Elements on the right side. Then head over to the search bar, then type in grid. Then just click on all. So just choose a grid here. It depends on how you want your photos to be arranged. So I'm just gonna choose this one right here. Then drag the grid template you selected on the page. Then you can adjust the position and size of it. As you can see, we can put 3 photos now here. So again, since it's a portfolio, you'll need to put your own works here. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna put some random photos from Canva. Make some more adjustments if you want. Once you're happy with the design, you can add another page here. So for this one, I'm gonna put some photos of food. Just the same process, let's change the background color and add a title and short description, and of course, add the photos of your work here. I actually added more pages here, but basically the process is just the same, so I'm just gonna do all these things real quick. You can even add a thank you page at the end to make it look friendlier and to put more warmth to your portfolio. Okay, so now that I think that it is all set, let us now download the file. So just click on share, then click on download. Then check if all the pages are selected. After checking, just click on done. For the file type, I just choose a PDF format. Then click on download. Just wait for it while it's downloading. Now that it's downloaded, let's now check the final output. We have now successfully created a creative portfolio, as you can see. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.